Welcome to the Nyanzaga Gold Project update. Pre-stripping of the Tusker Hill deposit is progressing well. Critically, it is supporting the supply of structural fill material for infrastructure such as the TSF. The site overview provides insight into the level of activity as the site really starts to come to life. In the process plant, structural, mechanical and piping contractors are mobilised and beginning to accelerate, with all critical foundations poured. 4 of our 7 CIL tanks are now at full height and mill installation works have commenced. Site staff and contractors have now surpassed 3,000 workers on site, and we recently celebrated eclipsing 6 million work hours long-term injury-free. That demonstrates the level of activity is really ramping up. The administration buildings that are being constructed by a team of artisans from the local communities are now ready for roof installation. At the TSF, the basin is now largely cleared. The southeastern dam wall is already at stage 1 height, with the north wall construction also progressing well. The camp administration is complete and work is now focused on communal and recreation areas. Stay tuned for future updates.